Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by cutting room lights and activating your phone flashlight to reveal hidden reflections. Move the light across the mirror at low angles so tiny camera lenses catch a glare. This shows asymmetrical reflections that one-way glass creates. Once done, run your finger along the frame and listen for hollow or rattling sounds because many small cameras are housed in loose trim. Make sure to inspect corners, outlets, and mounting screws where a lens or wiring might be concealed. Next, you switch to electronic scanning. Open your phone camera in IR mode or use a lens detector app to spot tiny infrared LEDs that glow as pins of light. Many hidden cameras use IR. Then, sweep slowly with an RF detector across the mirror and surrounding fixtures, listening for consistent or intermittent transmissions between 1 MHz and 6 GHz. If you find a suspicious hotspot and it's safe, carefully check removable backing or trim. This helps reveal wiring or a pocketed camera housing. Finally, you verify and document. Photograph any suspicious holes, lenses, or devices with timestamps and room details, and avoid touching lenses to preserve evidence. Once documented, report calmly to the front desk and request a room change and managerial escalation. If the device is confirmed or staff uncooperative, contact local police because this is a legal matter. If you encounter false negatives, repeat scans with different detectors, check from multiple angles, or separate the mirror from its backing to reveal concealed items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.